Ladies and gentlemen, we have conceded defeat like any consummate Democrat would do. But we have not abandoned the fight to transform Ghana and expand opportunities to all sections of our society.
Ghana's Vice President and the ruling party candidate Mahamudu Bawumia conceded defeat Sunday to opposition candidate and the former President John Dramani Mahama in the West African national title contested presidential election. Ahead of the office announcement, Bawumia told reporters that he respects the decision of Ghanaians to vote for change. Celebrations broke out in parts of the country, including capital Accra. The election was held against the backdrops of the country's worst cost of living crisis in a generation seen as a litmus test for democracy in a region shaken by extremist violence and coups. Bawumia was running as the flag bearer of the ruling New Patriotic Party or NPP, which has struggled to resolve the economic crisis under outgoing President Nana Akufo-Addo. Mahama's win is viewed following the latest trend of election around the world, favoring opposition parties against incumbents from the United States to European countries such as Britain and France as well as South Africa. Mahama, 65 years old, was president of Ghana between July 2012 and January 2017. During his campaign, Mahama promised to reset the country on various fronts and tried to appeal to young Ghanaians who saw the votes as the way out of the country's economic. Reporting from South Digital Eye, Dennis Samora.